Yeah, hi there. We're going to take a look today at capacitors. Capacitors in this situation are represented by these two plates here. A capacitor is something that is used in an electrical device to store energy. And you can see that I have my stored energy box checked here so I can actually look at how much energy the two plates or the capacitor here can hold. Now, capacitors are set up because they have two metal plates. One is going to be positively charged and the other one will be negatively charged. And usually there's some type of material in between them that are separating the charges. A lot of electrical devices use capacitors in differing quantities or amounts. So we're going to take a look basically at how to charge a capacitor, and then we're going to use that charged capacitor to do a light bulb. So let's take a look at it. All right, so to get ourselves started, we're going to connect our capacitor in a circuit with our battery. And then what we're going to do is if we turn the battery on, we'd have a switch of some sort. So if we turn that switch on and we let it go, we're going to notice that as we increase the voltage of the battery, we can use that to charge the plates. So you notice that one side, this is the positive side of the battery, is going to be positively charged, and the negative side of the battery is going to be negatively charged. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to disconnect the capacitor from the battery. And when we do that, we're going to notice that the charges, the positive and the negative charges, are still there. They're being stored by the plates in the capacitor. So what's really cool is that if I hook these capacitors up to the light bulb, I should see the light bulb light up. And let's take a look at what happens as I do that. So we have our capacitance up here at the top, but we have our joules of energy here, our stored energy. So let's take a look. If we go ahead and we hook it up to the light bulb, this is what's going to happen. Our light bulb has a whole bunch of light, and as we hook it up to the capacitor, we're going to notice that the amount of the light dims as our electrical charges get less and less. So once the capacitor in this situation has run out of energy, it no longer has the stored energy to power the light bulb. So we can take a look at that again. We can add some voltage from our battery here to charge up our capacitor, and we've charged our capacitor. Yay! And when we do that, then we can go back here and notice those are our positive and negative charges. We can put it back and we can actually power our light bulb again. So the light bulb should be really bright at the beginning and then get dimmer as the capacitor runs out of charges. And then once it has no more charges, you're going to notice there's no more energy here, and you're going to notice that the bulb is 0.